So here I am out front, and the sun's just going down. Beautiful sunset, and there's a bit of a look at what's going on in the front yard. Kraken, he's looking good. Octopussy's hanging out there. You got Spawn, and the latest addition is Big Bird. That's how he came up. On a bad compilation of about 12 pieces of mallee root, all on there. All sort of hanging out. Look at that sun. That's a beautiful shot. This is going down. Yeah, so see a big bird there. I'll just go in, give you a bit of an idea. You just see that, the way that's come up. Really nice. Got a few, yeah, couldn't be happier really, because it's the way that it's all sort of gone. Everything's just come together nicely. And the face, in the end, there he is, my mate. So, not a bad effort, eh? That is Big Bird.